Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Let's try to understand how to generate tally mark charts in Tableau. So for this, first of all, we will have to generate the Excel sheet, which consists of path 0 to 100, again 0 to 100, and the position is 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. We'll connect this Excel sheet with our Tableau Superstore. So click on Sample Superstore, click on the data source from here, remove the people, remove the returns. Now click Microsoft Excel, activate the tally mark chart, book 1, click open. Now drag this sheet 1 which consists of that path. Wait for some time. Create the relationship calculation, write down your 1. Similarly, create the relationship calculation, write down 1. Both the data sets are now connected. Click on sheet 1. Now pick up the product name from here. Drag it and drop it into the rows. Next thing which you have to do is pick up the order date from here and drop it into the filters. The message will be displayed. Activate the years from it. Press next. Select 2021. Click OK. Now pick up the product name and drop it. Let me figure out the product name. Yeah, drop it into the filters. It will ask for the condition. Activate the condition from here. Now, we will only select the top 10 products based on the quantity sold. So, by field, rather using this condition, use the top, this one, that's better. Use the top condition. By field, top 10, and activate from here quantity and its sum total. So top 10. Click OK. So you can see a top 10 products which are sold in the year 2021 have been generated. Now we'll generate the index from here. Click here, create the calculated field. Index. So the syntax for it is if index into round bracket is less than or equal to Windows max sum quantity, then index has null n. The calculation is valid, press OK. Now you will go in the path from here, activate the path from here, create the bins. Change this to 1. Click OK. Pick up this path pane and drop it into the detailing. Next thing which you have to do is convert this marks into the line. Now, the next thing which is to be done is you'll pick up the index from here and drop it into the columns. So you can see the diagonal line has appeared. Activate from here, compute using the path pane. Now, pick up the position from here and drop it near the product name. Pick up, rather, in some position, select the dimension, and you can see the tally marks are ready. The only thing is the diagonal is left out. That also we will create. Now, we'll have to create first X position for this. So, create the calculated field and write down X position. Then we copy the syntax. If index is %5 is equal, then it is equal to 0 and Windows max position is equal to -1. Then index minus 4.30. Else if index is %5 is equal to 0 and Windows max position is 1. So we'll do -1 and 1 so that the diagonal is created. Then index is minus 0.7, else index. The calculation is valid, press OK. Now you have created the X position. Replace this X position drag and drop it and replace this index with X position. Now activate from here, compute using the path pane. Quite good, tally marks are ready. Now it's giving you some warning that there are some nulls here. Click on it. Filter the data. You can also activate from here the entire view. It will give you a very nice view from here. So this is the way you can generate tally marks in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.